Turning to politics and money, an election year survey checks on presidential politics through credit scores. According to Wallet Hub, 26% of voters who support Democratic nominee Hillary Clinton have a bad credit rating, while 20% of voters who support Republican nominee Donald Trump have bad credit. The site points out the correlation between higher incomes and a higher credit score. A person's age is also a factor. Keeping a credit line open and paying on time is the best way to raise your credit score. Trader Dan Passarelli is here with an election year trade.
Hello, I'm Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com, and today I want to talk about option trading going into an election. Now, we've got an election coming up this November, and people are already starting to jockey for position in the options. Now, we can observe what people are doing in the options by looking at a couple of things. I mean, one, yes, volume and open interest, but that's a little bit intermittent this far in advance. So what I like to look at is the term structure of volatility. Now, what that means is term structure of volatility is simply the observation that options in different expiration cycles can have different levels of implied volatility. Now, if you look at the term structure of volatility right now, you'll see that options with a long time until expiration, like right after the election, have pretty high levels of implied volatility. It's a contango market. Now, what that means is that people believe that upon the election, volatility can increase greatly in the market. Now, what this does is it guides people's strategies. So it's very, very difficult to just go and buy a straddle right now to play the election because those straddles can be very, very expensive. Even though that might be what I want to do, I have to look at it a different way. So I might look at debit spreads, I might look at butterflies or iron condors or something else where I can hedge off that long-term volatility risk. This is Dan Passarelli of MarketTaker.com.